Hey Shilpa, how's your day going so far?
Hey Akshay, it's going pretty well, thanks for asking. How about yours?
It's been busy but good overall. Have you heard about that new restaurant that just opened up down the street?
No, I haven't. What's it called?
It's called Saffron Spice. They serve Indian cuisine, and the reviews are amazing. I was thinking we could check it out sometime this week.
That sounds great. I love Indian food. What dishes have you heard are good?
I've heard the butter chicken and biryani are both amazing. But honestly, everything on the menu looks delicious.
Yum, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. When were you thinking of going?
How about Thursday evening? I can make a reservation for 7 p.m.
Thursday works for me. Let's do it.
Awesome, I'll make the reservation right now. In the meantime, have you seen any good movies or shows lately?
Yes, actually. I recently watched the new Netflix series, The Queen's Gambit, and I loved it. Have you seen it?
No, I haven't. But I've heard good things about it. I'll have to check it out.
Definitely do. It's about a young girl who becomes a chess prodigy in the 1950s and 60s. The acting is great, and the story is really compelling.
Sounds interesting. I'll add it to my list. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Speaking of lists, have you made any travel plans for this year yet?
Actually, I have. I'm planning a trip to Europe in the summer. I haven't finalized all the details yet, but I'm thinking of visiting France, Italy, and Spain.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to go to Europe. Have you been before?
Yes, I went a few years ago and loved it. The food, the culture, the history, it's all so fascinating.
I can imagine. I hope you have a great time on your trip. Maybe you can share some photos and recommendations with me when you get back.
Absolutely. I'll make sure to take plenty of pictures and notes. And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to plan your own European adventure.
You never know. Thanks for chatting with me, Akshay. I'm looking forward to our dinner on Thursday.
Likewise, Shilpa. It's always great catching up with you. See you soon.